This video looks at the Gradebook tab. It's the 5th tab down in the navigation and has a book icon. The print icon is located at the top right. There are 3 report options to print from the Gradebook tab: Transcript, Progress Report, and Grade Report. The transcript will show all courses with a final grade completed on the hub. The Progress Report contains all courses the student is currently working on. The Grade Report is specific to each course and includes all items included in the gradebook. The Gradebook Progress shows a summary of the student's progress in each course. Clicking on the View Gradebook link opens that specific course. The graph on the left shows the overall average grade, and a box on the right breaks down that average into specific course categories. The next box below is all grades. The filter on the right can change to list one type of assignment. The categories included in this filter are those that affect the gradebook and will not include the task category. The export link creates a downloadable Excel file of the gradebook. The All Grades box has 2 tabs, Graded and Ungraded. Graded is any assignments that have been sent to the gradebook. The Ungraded tab is any assignments that need to be graded. On the Ungraded tab, we can enter the grade on tests 19 and 20 and click Save. These tests are now listed on the Graded tab and are part of the gradebook average. The Gradebook tab creates a digital gradebook that allows the parent to quickly see the student's grades and progress in each course.